Hi, welcome back to another session of Anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to learn how to create graffiti effect with some grungy and worn away effect in Photoshop. And we'll quickly see how to convert this to this. We have already seen in previous series how to create graffiti effect. Links are in description. In this session, we are again going to learn about how to create graffiti effect, but with different techniques and effects. So let's jump into Photoshop and start the magic. Hello, wonderful people. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Make the streets louder.
Alright, so just open Photoshop and open the wall texture. So we are going to use this particular texture for this effect. Just increase it to fit to the screen. Press enter. Rename it to the wall. Make Command J to make a copy. Select the horizontal type tool and choose any font you like. I'm using Garage Shock font for this session. If you do not have this font, do not worry. Just comment to us. I'm going to share all the details to you right away. And just make sure all the settings are looking like this. Choose the color you like. This color is for inside the text. And just click here and type whatever you like. Just right click, go to blending options, come to stroke and just choose a color for the stroke. Choose outside, make opacity 100% and increase the size somewhere 16 or 15. It entirely depends on you. You can just play with the slider as per your requirements. Come to inner shadow and choose the color and pick any color from the lighter shade of the wall. Press OK. Make it normal and make it 100% and make the settings like this. You can play with these sliders as per your requirements. There's no hard and fast rule that you should just follow these settings only. So you can play with them as per your need. Press OK. I'm just increasing it a bit. Press enter. Once you have achieved it, just drag this particular layer to the above. Do Command U to make the hue and saturation. Drag its saturation all the way down. Press OK and just press Command or Control and click on this text layer once. You will see selection will be activated. Come to this masking and just do the masking. Come to this particular layer and change its blending mode to hard line. Just select these two layers and make a group by Command G. Select the masking, select brush and decrease the opacity somewhere 40%. Make sure foreground color is selected as black and just little bit do few clicks like this so that window behind will be little more visible. Come to the brush and select any spray paint splatter brush. If you do not have these brushes, please do not worry. I'm going to share all the details to you right away. Just comment to us. Just select any brush, decrease the size and select color from this particular portion. Create new layer and just decrease the opacity. Change the brush and just create few more strokes. Change the color. Now just select this text layer, right click, convert to smart object. Now press Command or Control and click on this thumbnail once. You will see all the text will be selected. Create masking, make sure foreground color is selected as black and change different kind of brushes and just click on the text to have more realistic effect like this. By doing this effect, you are making wall more visible behind the text. Perfect. And just select the wall, create another curved layer. Make sure clipping is selected and just make it like this. This is perfect. Now just press Command Alt Shift E to make a composite layer and we'll call it final. Go to filter, camera raw filter, come to basics and increase the clarity a little bit and the texture. You can play with these sliders as per your requirements. Come to effects and just play with Vinity. Press OK once you are satisfied, and we'll quickly see what we have achieved with it. We started with this image and we have achieved this wonderful results. Before, after. Before, after. This is so amazing. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen how wonderfully and easily we can achieve graffiti effect with grungy and worn effect in Photoshop. So by using this technique, you can really achieve wonderful and very artistic results for any of your requirements or projects. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography signing off.